Hello students, in this video we will solve question number 9 of exercise miscellaneous class 11 chapter 2. So here you are given that let R be a relation from n to n defined by, so this is a relation, this is not a function yet. So this is a relation a comma b where a and b both belong to natural numbers and a is equal to b square. We have to check whether the parts that is given are true or not. So we are given in first part that a comma a belongs to R for all a that belongs to natural numbers. Okay, so this statement, can this be true or not? This cannot be true, right? Because all a के लिए a is not equal to b, मतलब b square is not equal to a. Because अगर मैं example लूँ, if a is equal to 1 then b square will be 1, so 1 comma 1 will belong to this relation. Okay, but if a is equal to 2 then b square will be 4. Okay, sorry, a is equal to b square, right? Okay, I'm sorry. So that means, okay, so that means if a is equal to b square, that means b is equal to under root of a. So for a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1. So that means a comma b belong to n, and here a is equal to b. So a comma a belong to n. Okay, for a equal to 1. But if a is equal to 4, then b will be equal to 2. I am not taking minus 2 here because it belongs to only natural numbers. So 4 comma 2 belong to n. So it's not true because for all values of a comma a cannot belong to R. So let's take an example here. So let a is equal to 4. Okay. Now 4 belongs to natural numbers, but b is equal to under root of a. So b is equal to 2 as b belong to natural numbers. Okay, so 4 comma 4 does not belong to R because 4 comma 2 belongs to R. Okay, this statement is not true. Moving on to second statement. Second statement में they have asked that a comma b belongs to R implies b comma a belongs to R. So this is also blatantly not true, right? Because for a is equal to 9, sorry, b is equal to 9. I'm really sorry. For a is equal to 9, okay. Then b will be equal to 3. This implies that 9 comma 3 belongs to R. But when a is equal to 3, b is equal to under root 3. So this does not belong to R because b has to be a natural number. Okay, so 3 comma under root 3 does not belong to R, as under root 3 is not belong to natural numbers. Okay, so this is also not true. Then moving on to the third statement. In third statement they have said that a comma b belongs to R and b comma c belongs to R. Does this imply that a comma c will belong to R? Let's see. So we are given that a comma b belongs to R and b comma c belongs to R. Then we have to check if a comma c belongs to R. Let's again take an example. Let's say that what example should we take for it to work for us? Let's say a is equals to 81. Okay, if a is equals to 81, then b is equals to 9. So we can say that 81 comma 9 belongs to R. Okay, let's take an example now. Okay, so now if b is equal to 9, c is equal to 3, this implies that 9 comma 3 belongs to R. We have to check whether 81 comma 3 belongs to R or not. Okay, so if A is equal to 81, then C will be equal to 9 if we are taking this example. Okay, so for A comma B, for B comma C, this is for A comma C. C is equal to 9, but C is equal to 3. Hence 81 comma 3 does not belong to R, because 81 comma 9 will always belong to R. So this is also not true.